Hello students, a very good morning. Welcome to class 4. Let's start the today's session with chapter 4, measurements. What do you mean by measurement, students? A measurement, it is nothing but it's a numerical quantitation and it's used to compare the objects. Where you can use the word measurement. Suppose you want to measure the objects or you want to find out the length of a certain things or certain objects, or you want to find out the capacity of a liquid items. In that place you can use the word measurement. This measuring or measurement, it's a common word that we are using in our day-to-day life. In this chapter, we are going to see about the weight of measurement. How will you measure the weight of the object, students? Suppose you are going to a shop. You want to buy some vegetables or fruits. How will you ask to the shopkeeper? You can ask the shopkeeper to give 1 kg of fruit or half a kg of vegetables. The shopkeeper is used to measure the fruit or vegetables by the concept of this weight. That is the instrument which you can see in this slide, right? This is the common measuring instrument. It is called as common balance. With the help of this instrument, the shopkeeper is used to measure by using the measuring stones that you can see in your right hand side. The measuring stone, it consists of different weights like 1 kg or 500 gram or 250 gram. Still, this common balance instruments are available or you can see in most of the shops. Students, now you have clearly understood the weight, right? How will you measure the weight, right? Now, we are going to see the standard units of measurement for mass. The most common units of measurement for mass are grams and kilograms. See your left hand side, children. A gram is very light thing and these items weigh approximately 1 gram. A gram is used to measure the lighter objects. See the example which is given here. Paper clip, pen lid, the piece of chewing gum. It is all about the considered approximately 1 gram and it may be a less than gram also. So a gram is used to measure light objects, but kilogram is used to measure the heavier objects. A kilogram is nothing but 1000 grams. These items weigh approximately, that is the given items weigh approximately 1 kilogram. The examples are 2 loaves of bread, 7 apples and 1 liter of milk. Is it clear, children? In this slide, we have seen the common standard units of measurement for mass is grams and kilograms. Gram is used to measure the lighter object. Kilogram is used to measure heavier objects. Is it clear? Next, these are the common. See, different weighting instruments are used to measure the weight. What are the instruments? Common balance, digital balance, weight machine, spring balance, etc. Now, in this slide, we are going to find out the heavier objects. See the first picture. Which animal is heavy? Cat or a dog? Second picture. Which is heavy? A girl is holding a paper and the boy is having a book on his hand. See the third one. Which is heavy? The ball or a balloon? See the fourth one. Which is heavy? The two boys holding a ball. See, one is ordinary ball, another one is iron ball. So, how to find out or how to identify that which thing is heavy? See, now I'm going to tell you the correct thing. Okay? See, a cat or a dog, which is heavy? Dog. Here, book or a paper? Book. Here, ball or a balloon? Ball. Here, iron ball or ordinary ball? Iron ball. Hope you understand the heavier items, right? Now, what are the items are measured in kilogram? See children, the rice can be measured in kilogram. Fruits and vegetables are used to measure in kilogram, and flours like rice flour and different kinds of flours are available. These things also measured in kilogram. Then pulses. These things also measured in kilogram. Now, what are the items are measured in gram? I've given some few examples only here. Okay. Food items measured in grams are pepper, mustard seeds, jeera. These are some food items measured in grams. An important thing, the gold. Gold is especially used to measure in grams only. Okay. Students, what is 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram makes, that is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. And the different forms of, see, we can make 500 to 500 grams also make a 1 kilogram. If you take a stone of 200 gram means, if you keep the 5 stones, then it will make 1000 gram. Or if you take 100 gram stone, if you keep 10 grams, it will make 1 kilogram, that is 1000 gram. So the standard formula is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Students, repeat again, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Students, see this thing. Observe the given picture and circle the correct weight. See, here they have given the first picture, cat. Cat is consist of 5 gram or 5 kilogram. Obviously 5 kilogram only. Then refrigerator is 160 gram or 160 kilogram. It's a heavier object, so that must be expressed in kilogram. It is 160 kilogram. See this van, 2000 gram or 2000 kilogram, 2000 kilogram only. See this petal, 1 gram or 1 kilogram, it is 1 gram only. See this sparrow, 50 gram or 50 kg, 50 gram only. In this picture, it consists both lighter as well as heavier objects. For your to make your better understanding only, I have given these examples. Is it clear, children? Now you have understood the kilogram and gram. For lighter objects to be measured only in the gram and heavier objects to be measured only in kilograms. It is clear, children? Yes. Now, how will you convert gram and kilogram? Now, see the problem 1. 1 kg. We know that formula, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. How will you do it? 1 into 1000 gram, you will get 1000 gram. Then you want to find out 2 kg means 2000 gram. 3 kg means 3000 gram. In case they have given 4000 gram, then how many kg it will be? 4 kg. Is it clear, children? Now 15 kg. So you have to multiply 15 into 1000, 15,000 gram. Then 23 kg, 23 into 1000 gram, 23,000 gram. This is the easy way of conversion from, that is, grams to kilogram or kilograms to gram. Is it clear, children? Students, hope you understand the concept of kilogram and gram. The remaining exercise 4.1 I will explain you in the next class. Next video. Thank you children. Have a nice day.